In this video, I'm about to show how to create a database on Azure. To create a single database in the Azure portal, this quick start starts at the Azure SQL page. Now browse to the Select SQL Deployment option page. Under SQL Databases, leave the resource type set to Single Database and select Create. On the Basics tab of the Create SQL Database form, under Project Details, select the desired Azure subscription. For Resource Group, select Create New, enter My Resource Group, and select OK. For the database name, enter My Sample Database. Select Create New for the server, then fill in the required details: server name, location, authentication method, admin login, and password. Select OK. Leave Want to Use SQL Elastic Pool set to No. For the workload environment, specify development for this exercise. The development workload offers cost-effective, locally redundant backup storage for pre-production without geo-replication. Locally redundant storage is cost-effective and suitable for pre-production. Under Compute plus Storage, choose Configure Database. For serverless databases, keep the service tier as general purpose and the compute tier as serverless. Select Apply. Choose a redundancy option for backup storage. Select Next, Networking at the bottom. On the Networking tab, for the connectivity method, select Public Endpoint. For firewall rules, set Add Current Client IP Address to Yes. Leave Allow Azure Services and Resources to access the server set to No. Under the connection policy, select Default and keep the minimum TLS version as TLS 1.2. Then click Next, Security at the bottom. On the security page, choose to start a free trial of Microsoft Defender for SQL, as well as configure Ledger and Azure SQL Transparent Data Encryption with Customer Managed Key. Select Next, Additional Settings at the bottom of the page. On the Additional Settings tab in the Data Source section, select Sample, select Review plus Create at the bottom of the page. Once your database is created, you can use the Query Editor, Preview, in the Azure portal to connect the database and query data. In the portal, search and select SQL databases and then select your database from the list. On the page for your database, select Query Editor, Preview in the left menu. Enter your SQL Authentication Server admin login information or use Microsoft Entra Authentication. Enter the following query in the Query Editor pane, select Run, and then review the query results in the Results pane. Close the Query Editor page and select OK when prompted to discard your unsaved edits. When you're finished using these resources, you can delete the resource group you created, which will also delete the server and single database within it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.